Stereos, we focus on supplying superior products to the solar industry. We present a state-of-the-art Stereos solar cleaning robot, SCR-150, which is designed for a sustainable future. Stereos SCR-150 is the solar panel cleaning technology of the future, with remarkable features such as its lightness, free moving, and advanced remote-controlled technologies. Stereos SCR-150, designed by our expert engineers in order to fulfill the operations and maintenance needs of the solar energy sector. It adapts to all conditions and project requirements. This versatility is perfect for rooftop, canopy, or even huge multi-acre PV power plants. The productivity and efficiency of your photovoltaic facilities will be increased when using our solar cleaning robot technology. Stereos SCR-150 was designed in order to fulfill the cleaning requirements of all solar panel systems, reducing naturally caused energy losses while keeping the facility efficiency at its highest level. Stereos SCR-150, one of the quickest robots in its class, has a cleaning capacity of 2,500 square meters per hour with one operator, 2 megawatts per day. With these features, it provides a remarkable return on your investment. With the SCR-150, cleaning both wet and dry is a reality, with its 1.5 meter, 1.9 meter, and 2.3 meter brushes, and 2 different bristle types. This state-of-the-art mini robot provides high-quality results regardless of whether you choose wet or dry cleaning. The Stereos SCR-150, one of the smartest and fastest robots on the market, has optimized advanced technology software solutions, such as a high level of automation and data analysis. Using proprietary technology, the Stereos SCR-150 is supported by Groma, which has superior expertise in the GPS and machine automation fields. It is suitable for single-person use with its modular design and lightweight components. Specially made for easy transport, removal, and installation, the Stereos SCR-150 consists of 3 components, weighing between 22 kilograms up to only 84 kilograms. This state-of-the-art robot is assembled in just a few easy steps, then ready to go. Feel free to use an approved cleaning solution or water purification system. Stereos SCR-150 is suitable for use with purified water or other solutions suitable for your PV power plant. Thanks to speed control and anti-fall protection sensors, Stereos SCR-150 both reduces unwanted accidents and provides a great advantage to its user. Automatically adjusting to the height and slope of the solar panels, the Stereos SCR-150 has the ability to easily climb slopes of up to 25 degrees, which is the standard slope found on most solar installations around the world. Transferring between solar panels can be easily handled with the Stereos SCR-150. Thanks to its balanced weight, it has the ability to pass over gaps of up to 50 centimeters between solar panels without any help. Stereos Machinery's robot, Stereos SCR-150, which is revolutionizing solar panel cleaning, provides a wide range of usage areas with its fast and effective solutions and keeps the plant efficiency at the highest level. At Stereos Machinery, we are working to build a renewable future for all of us. We ensure that our vision of making the impossible possible becomes a reality with our new generation technology. We produce solutions at international standards for the design and production of innovative, high-tech, intelligent machines.